Oh.
Hello guys, I have received something epic and I'm eating a sweet, don't judge, but at 6 o'clock this morning something came really heavy. I'm struggling to keep it up here, but it was my 30 subscribers play button. As you can see, it's made of styrofoam. It's not stretchable. I'm sure we can fix this. Yeah, guys, my 30 subs play button. I'm joking with you guys. This actually came in an iPad case. It's not real. Don't be fooled. You don't get something for 30 subscribers. I'll just have a little joke. But honestly, thank you for 30 subscribers. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.